Good morning, friends. How are you doing? We are back for our Monday phonics lesson. Guess what? We're going to do a review of chart 12. I know it's been a while, but I know that you guys have really great memories because you practiced so much, you've stored it all up here. So I'm going to flash the cards and you tell me the sound and the clue word. I think it's going to come to you quick. Remember chart 12? Okay, it had a lot of prefixes and suffixes. So here we go. Go ahead and shout it out. You're doing great. Oh, did you forget this one? And country, OU. Wow, you're doing great. Louder so I can hear you. Good job. Keep it up. Remember, this sound is okay. Go ahead and shout out if you got all of them. Woohoo! That means you are rocking the charts. So if you had any trouble with these, go ahead and go rewatch the video with the charts that I've made for 4 charts that I made. Today, we're going to focus on two special sounds from chart 13. Okay, so the first special sound is right here. So what is this special sound? Okay, so R goes with star, R and star, AR. But when we say this word dollar, it's really an sound. Even though we have in bigger, in verse, ER, this is in dollar, AR, okay? So it is tricky, but this is in dollar, AR. R goes with R and star, AR. But we've got to be careful when we're like, ooh, what is and dollar AR? Well, let me show you some words that go with and dollar AR. I'm going to flip my clue card over. Okay, we have the word collar. See, we don't say my dog has a collar. We don't say that. That sounds funny. So collar. Next one, polar. You don't say that's a polar bear, do you? No, polar bear. Solar, cedar, and that's in city, molar, and grammar. Okay, so do you see the difference of when we say R with it? It really makes a word sound funny, polar. Yes, so it's and dollar AR. So what does this sound? Go ahead and tell me. And dollar AR. Good job, guys. Okay, so now we're on to another tricky one. I've seen you guys get a little bit stuck when we're doing the around the world when I call you out after reading groups. So we have I in crystal, Y. I've heard ya, I've heard E in baby Y. Now we do have E in baby Y, and we have E in rainy Y. Now, the E in rainy Y is, who knows the answer? It's a suffix, E in rainy Y. E in baby Y, That would be crystal. Crystal? Is crystal a word? No. So this makes the I sound, a short vowel I. So we have crystal, crystal. Some other words that go with it in crystal, why? Gym. See, if we said gym and baby Y, that wouldn't make sense. So this is gym, ja-im, gym. Symbol, Lynn, that's a person's name. Bicycle. This one is tricky because you think Egypt. So when you're saying it really quickly, you're thinking it's saying E, but the first sound is E. Egypt. See the I sound for the Y? And mystery. Mystery. Okay, so what sound is this? I and crystal Y. Okay, and one more time. What sound is this? And dollar AR. Great. Okay, we are going to work on page 153 for our worksheet today. So go ahead and get out page 153 and let me share my screen with you. Okay. Bear with me just a moment. Okay. All right, so now I have my sharing screen with you. Okay, so we are going to, I'm going to make this bigger to just do the first section. So do you see what we're doing here? We are going to circle and dollar and it and crystal. So let's do and dollar AR. Okay, let's circle the AR and dollar. Let me switch my color. And dollar AR. Are you circling them with me? Okay, good. Okay, so the first word is beggar, cedar. Remember, this is set in city. Molar. Okay, now let's go circle it in crystal Y. Here's it in crystal Y. It and it. Okay, the first word is bicycle, symbol, system. Okay, number 2. Oh, you're gonna write a rhyming word. Rhyming word. Hot, pot, tot. Okay, so words that rhyme. Okay, so if you want to mark your special sounds just so you could read the word, this one is okay. Oh, excuse me. What was I doing? Yes, I made a snore sound. What rhymes with snore? Ooh, you think of a word. It doesn't have to be the same word as me, but I'm gonna think of something I really love when I go camping. Snore. Oh, this is delicious. What word is that? S'more. Okay. Next word, ould and could, O-U-L-D. Can you think of a word that goes with could? Write it down. And I'm going to write mine down. We could have different ones. Could and should. Okay, last word is taught. Taught. Okay, and you try to think of a word and write it down. Pause your video and I'm going to show you what I came up with. Pause your video and write your word and I'm going to write mine. Okay, what word did you come up with? I came up with caught. Good. Okay, we're on to number 3. We are matching the, what are those called? What are these called? Contractions with the 2 words that they come from. So the first one that's done for us, whose, is who is. Now at this time, I want you to pause your video and draw a line from the contraction from the 2 words and come back when you're finish so you could see if you got the same ones as me. Okay, let's be truthful. Go ahead and pause your video right now. Okay, are you back? All right, look at what I have. There goes with they are. You've goes with you have. She'll is she will. Don't is do not. And I've is I have. Okay, great. All right, now another time where you are going to go pause your video, and what are you going to do? Circle your special sounds and mark the vowels. Ready, and go pause your video. Have you paused yet? Go pause your video. Okay, so I take it you're back and you've circled your special sounds and marked your vowels. Let's read these words across. So let me change my highlighter and see if you got the same ones. Okay, we have frog. Let me go lighter here. What word is this? Pond. Eggs. What word? Shout it out. Tadpole. Shout it out. Bugs. Shout out that word. Hop. Go ahead. Swim. Go ahead. Lily pad. And last word, green. Awesome job, guys. Okay, so I know that you were able to do a lot of that by yourself, and that's why I wanted to see if you would do it. So we want to be honest, make sure when I say pause your video and try it by yourself that you're doing that, okay? So we are all finished with our phonics lesson. So I will see you in a little bit for our math lesson. Yay! I will see you soon. Bye-bye.